Yo, boss the banger.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trend setter. NEWLINK.
Viewers, subscribers, are the attacking boss again enough people with another banging reviewing on the viewers and subscribers. No joke about it. So right about now, viewers and subscribers is a song me a feature to the people. Is a song me a promote to the people. You understand? And it's from the artist called I-Prezent. I-Prezent. No joke about it. Some viewers and subscribers, title of this track is Friends with Benefits. So you know what that mean. You can read between the line. You better know if you do it, because I-Prezent I got tell you how to do it. Well, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know where to bring up the Burning Kush production. No joke about it, people. With the producer, the big man, Fire Trace, because yo, them they behind this thing, the people from I-Prezent. I'm here to tell the people, the song are going good, the song are going bad, the song are tear down every radio station in Jamaica, in New York, in England, in Canada, no joke. So me and the people want to hear a piece of the song right about now.
Me a Mr. Right now, no Mr. Right. Get a look good, make us spend some time. Just give me a number. Me pay you bills, you work the dick. Press some time, but you know the drill. Friends with benefit, friends with benefit.
Some viewers and subscribers saying, so basically I-Prezent I make you know, so look at the man. Him see a girl, him rate the girl, him like the girl. Basically, them are friend people. You know what I mean? But you're the thing gonna friends with benefit. So I want to explain to girls, say, oh baby, we can't make a thing happen, you know, even though we are friends, we can't know how to work around the thing, we can't know how to go around it. Yo, me never want to explain too much of it, telling them my viewers and subscribers, because I'm telling them too much. Oh, no, I'm going to find out what I-Prezent and telling them. So what I want to my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave the link right below in the right below in the description, my people. Please, yeah, go below and check on the link, click on the link, people, and go right over there to I-Prezent channel, people, over Burning Kush thing, and go check out the full song, my people, and leave your comment, and please make the artist, make the producer, make the world know, say the attacking boss NEWLINK send you over here. If you come check out a big song called Friends with Benefits from I-Prezent. No joke about it, people, and present. I spell with P-R-E-Z-E-N-T. No joke about it. I-Prezent. Friends with Benefits, people. It a tear down the world. It shot, it a go on good. It a go on top. Remember, people, check below in the description for the link. I-Prezent, we are sending the artist to the world, because the artist is talented. The artist is so different. Yo, me I tell you, the artist style unique. People, I-Prezent, Friends with Benefit, Rifle Rhythm. It shot, it gone. Burning Kush production, Fire Trace, it gone.